Hey guys, I'm Kaila.
And I'm Tommy.
And today we are going to show you some crafty and clever gift wrapping hacks. So I'm going to start by showing you guys how to create a ribbon handle for your gift. So I'm going to put this at the center, but a little lower. So this part at the bottom should be shorter than the one at the top. Okay. So we're just going to fold that. Tape it again just so it's stable. Tape it.
Wow, it looks so nice. It looks like when they do it professionally at the store.
Thank you. And then we are going to fold this. We are gonna fold the ends. Okay? So we gotta make sure that it's super, super secure. And then just tie it. Ta-da! There you have it, guys. A gift wrapping with a ribbon handle, all by Hallmark.
It's beautiful, easy, and fun to make. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Make this season a Christmas to remember with Hallmark's gift wrapping ideas.
Follow Hallmark Philippines on Facebook and subscribe to their YouTube channel, Hallmark Philippines. Thanks for watching.